Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and subscribing to my YouTube channel. For those who watch my video, thank you so much. Keep showing me the love. Share to your friends for new content every week. So today, as I had stated earlier in my video, I ordered an item from Amazon in the US to be delivered to me, and it just arrived. I'm so happy. It's gonna improve my vlogging, and it's a camera. So I ordered a DJI Osmo Action 3 camera at standard combo from Amazon, and it has been delivered through a Quantuo. So we are going to do an unboxing today. So here is the camera. Here it is, DJI Action 3. Here it's how it comes. The specs are there, you can save it. That's how it is. It is sealed. It just came like this, the standard combo. So here we are going to do an unboxing, and also we are going to review the camera. I'm so happy. I'm so happy about the purchase. So let's get into it, sir. So we are going to open. I went to get a scissors, then we're gonna cut. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So let me see. Where do I cut now? Oh my goodness. Where do I cut? There's nowhere to cut. Let me just cut using the end of the scissors so that I get a hole to put this in. Jeez. Yeah, finally it's there. Oh my god. I'm so happy about this. Whew. Look guys. Where focus? Yep. This side as well. Focus. Yeah. So let me remove it. I'm trying to figure. Oh, it has a seal over here. Here is where you peel the seal, like that. Ooh. Then you open. Here is how it looks. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Now I don't know what this is, but anyway, we are gonna figure it out. Then here is the camera. Whoo, look at it. Here's the camera. Look at it. It's even written DJI. It's brand new. What is in the box? Let me remove. Oh my god. It has DJI stickers. A battery. This is the battery. We have a type C to C charger. Then the attachment, the down attachment, this one attachment. Then we have a case. I'm so happy. Hey, this is a big girl purchase. And then it has the top cover, the protector, and also this to cover the lens. Yeah. What else is in the box? we're going to do. Then we have a user guide, and what is this? I don't know what that is. And that's it, guys. That is it. Oh, so this thing is what attaches automatically to the camera immediately for easy release and everything. So let's do it. Let's do it. Here. Now look at it. Oh my God. I'm so happy. It's becoming difficult to open. Look. Oh, wow, look at that. This is so nice. Tighten the lens protective cover before taking to water. There's also another cover here, so they come in twos. Let me just return it. I don't want to remove it. By the way, the camera is tiny and it's very much. Then we remove this one. Oh my God. Yup. Ooh. Now let me open here. We open. Here is the charging port. This other side we open as well. Okay. How am I supposed to open this? Am I not yeah, I've opened. And here is where you put the battery. So let's put the battery and see. Where is it now? Where is the battery? I removed it here. So how do I put it? I put it like this. Then make sure I cover. I don't know if it has any power, but we can switch it on and see here. So whatever is displaying here is whatever is. I'm going to select English, device name, scan QR code. I cannot set it up. Then here is the display. Guys, I'm so excited. Let me try and do this, then I will continue with the video. So I've put the cover on. It's not hard to put on the cover. Now it's giving me settings I need to set. So let's set the time. I don't know if you guys can see. It's 5:40. Let me just write 5:39. Yes. Then here, tap and hold to woohoo. Now let's see. I don't know if you guys can see. Then on my side, can you see me? Oh, yeah, but doesn't have an SD card, and I need to get one. Then no SD card, look, but the camera is like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll put more videos in regards to the same, and please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment down below if you need any more details, and I'll tell you how I ship the phone to the camera from the US to here. Bye. Thank you so much.